Alright, let's start the OPC UA simulation server. Over the Status tab, you'll see a few key details. Server status shows that if the server is up and running. Pub/sub status tell you if the publish subscribe feature is active. Connection address is where the server listens for client's connections. Current server time is the current server time. Server starting time is when the server's first kickoff. In this Object tab, you can manage instances of objects like sensors or actuators, thinking about adding, editing, or deleting. The Types tab is where you define the structure and the behavior of these objects. In OPC UA, types can range from basic ones like integers to customer structure or enums. The Namespace tabs give each object and type a unique identifier to keep things organized. Now, let's set up some entities in the Object tab to simulate some device data.